Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay credit card bill in Simplii Financial. So let's dive right in. From here, I will explain all the steps for the payment process. For mobile steps is sign on to the app, then select bills payments from the top mobile carousel or the menu located on the left. Then select manage billing companies. After this process, you need to select add billing company. You can find this option in your manage billing companies. Then after that, enter Simplii as your billing company and select search. Select the Simplii Visa from the search result. Enter your credit card number in the account number field and then select next. Last is make sure the payee information is correct, then select yes. The online steps is sign on to your account through online banking. Select pay bills, select add or edit bills. Enter Simplii as your billing company and select search. Select the Simplii Visa from the search result. Enter your credit card number in the account number field and then select next. Make sure the pay information is correct and then select confirm. Here is a note for you. If you only have a credit card with Simplii, you will need to add it as a bill payment on your non-Simplii bank account. There we have it. Follow these steps properly to pay your credit card bill in Simplii. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.